keys. And the zookeeper's walking away. Look, what's that? What are those? What are those?
Grandma, be quiet.
What's the mouse got?
I'm gonna go do a little cooking.
You're right. But why is the mouse like a
Yes.
banana?
You're
Yeah,
fine.
that's right. Oh, what's that? Oh,
Bicycle?
oh yeah, bicycle. That's it. What's that? Yeah, what's that? Okay,
What is it?
elephant.
Yes, that was elephant. A balloon.
He's saying good night, elephant. I guess he's putting the animals to bed. Look, what's that? Who's holding it? Oh, the mouse is carrying the banana. That's pretty clever. That's a new book. Oh, he's unlocking the lion. Good night, lion. Does he know about lions?
He knows all the animals in that book.
Okay, oh, look. The elephant's following him. The mouse